Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we're talking about something every patriot and road warrior needs: the best tow hitch flagpole holder on the market. Say hello to the MaxxHaul 50240 heavy-duty hitch mount. This ingenious device is here to make your journeys more patriotic and hassle-free than ever before. Let's dive into what makes it stand out from the rest. First off, installation couldn't be easier. No tools required. Just slide the mount into your hitch receiver and lock it into place using the hitch pin. Talk about convenience. But convenience doesn't mean sacrificing security. With two tightening knob-type screws, this holder ensures increased stability and security even on the bumpiest of highways. Worried about compatibility? Fear not. The MaxxHaul 50240 accommodates poles with diameters ranging from 1 to 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches, fitting standard Class 3 and IV receivers. Now, let's talk durability. Constructed with heavy-duty alloy steel and sporting a durable powder coat finish, this holder is built to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity even in harsh weather conditions. And here's a thoughtful toolkit: includes a draw hole to drain away rain and melted snow, keeping your holder in prime condition for years to come. So there you have it, folks. The MaxxHaul 50240 heavy-duty hitch mount flagpole holder is not just any flag holder. It's the best tow hitch flagpole holder out there. With its easy installation, robust security features, universal compatibility, and durable construction, it's the perfect companion for your SUV, van, car, pickup truck, or RV. Whether you're cruising down the highway or embarking on an off-road adventure, let your patriotism fly high with the MaxxHaul 50240. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of top-notch products. Until next time, happy travels.